Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading The Cat on the Dovrefell. Please enjoy. Written by Tomie DePaola. The Cat on the Dovrefell. Once upon a time, in a faraway land of Denmark, a man caught a great white bear. This bear would be a great gift for the king of Denmark, he said. So he set off. On Christmas Eve, he reached the mountains of Dovrefell. Tired from his many travels, he stopped at the cottage of a man named Haba. Good man, he asked. Would you have room for a traveler and his bear tonight? I'm sorry, answered Habar, but every Christmas Eve, a slew of trolls comes down from the woods and takes over my house. My wife and I have to run for our lives. Well, said the man, I could hide away in the side room, and my bear would be happy to lay under the stove over there. You're welcome to take the chance, said Hava. The man agreed, so Hava and his family fled into the night. Havla's wife had laid the table with all sorts of food: rice, pudding, pickled fish, smoked sausage, everything that was good to eat, for the trolls were only happy with a great feast. Sure enough, when the sun had set and the night came on, the trolls came down from the hills. What a bunch of creatures! Some of the tails, some of the long noses, all of them making a great noise. The trolls grabbed all the food and drink and made great commotion. Suddenly, one of the small trolls spied the white bear under the stove. What a pretty pussycat, he shouted. He grabbed a sausage, put it on a fork, and pushed it under the bear's nose. Here you go, pussy. Yummy. Yum, the troll sang. The great white bear jumped up and roared. The trolls ran out of the house as fast as they could, each and every one of them, and they rushed off into the night, back into the hills. The next year, on the afternoon of Christmas Eve, Hava was cutting wood for the trolls, for he was sure they would be coming to the house again.
I'm very happy that Zach is, takes on the interest in building today, because I think it enables him to really project on his own.
Hava, he heard coming from the woods. I am here, Hava answered. Do you still have your big white pussycat?
I'm going to, I've already submitted mine, and it took 8 weeks to fill up the form. And I went crazy, and I said, okay, now that you're in the system, it takes 12 to 16 weeks. This is figured out.
Hava thought of it for a moment. Why, yes, he answered. She is sleeping under the stove, and she has had 7 kittens who are even bigger and furious than she. Then he will never come down to your house again, said the troll. To Hava's great relief, the trolls kept their promise. From that time on, he and his family celebrated Christmas in peace.
I've been working on this bridge for a while now, and I'm excited that it's open up. It's cool being able to show projects on my own property by myself.
And as the great white bear, the king of Denmark was most pleased with the man's gift, he called the bear Puss. Well, I guess that bear did the job on scaring those trolls away, didn't he? That was a good, funny book, huh? What did you think about it? If you enjoyed this, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. And again, I want to welcome a new subscriber here to my channel. Welcome aboard. And feel free to check out my other book readings. And I want to say happy holidays to all of you out there.